I'm Sam from Wrexham Volkswagen, and today I'm going to be talking you around this Volkswagen approved used vehicle.
It's my pleasure to introduce this Volkswagen Tiguan Allspace2.0TDI 150 Elegance with the exterior painted in platinum grey colour. Powered by a 2-litre diesel automatic gearbox, so this vehicle definitely has something to offer. Notable exterior features include the Swivel Towbar, which offers towing practicality, along with 19-inch Auckland dark graphite diamond turned alloy wheels that really add to the car's exterior. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, the boot space is practical. This vehicle being the Allspace, it offers a massive 700 litre when the seats are up of storage, which is enough for bikes, multiple suitcases and more. Another great feature of this vehicle, it being this portable torch that's really handy for those dark and cold winter nights. Rear passengers can enjoy these stylish seats, along with enough room to sit a whopping 5 rear passengers. Another great feature for your rear passengers is the multi-control air conditioning along with the 12-volt socket, which allows users to benefit from personalised air control and the ability to charge their mobile phones. The front of the vehicle offers plenty of amenities along with plenty of storage capability, along with an amazing panoramic sunroof. You'll be glad to know that both of the front seats offer lumbar support and are heated for those cold winter days. The driver gets the benefit from a great leather-wrapped multi-function steering wheel, which is capable of controlling the FM DAB radio, the navigational system, telephone, driving assist, and much more, all from the digital dash. The centre benefits from an easy-to-use multi-function median system, which allows users to enjoy and control the FM DAB radio, along with the navigational system to ensure you never get lost. Various settings allow the user insight and configuration into the vehicle. Phone connectivity is also available, allowing the users to benefit from the comfort of their phones in a safe manner. Customizable sound settings are also available to suit the individual's taste, along with dual air conditioning control so everybody can ride in comfort. Best of all, this vehicle benefits from parking sensors and a rear reverse camera to help you manoeuvre into those tricky spots. Moving down the cabin, you'll enjoy stylish sliding cup holder compartment, along with a folding armrest storage. Last but not least, above your head, you'll find controls for the amazing electrically controlled sunroof.
This vehicle comes with a minimum of 2 years manufacturer's warranty, along with 2 years roadside assistance and much more. For more information on this vehicle or to arrange a test drive, please call us on 01978 340 600, alternatively inquire online now.